Grated coconut 1 cup. White rice 3/4 cup, soaked and drained. Half onion chopped. Fennel seeds 3 teaspoons. Salt to taste. Water 3/4 cup. Grind it coarsely. Pour it in a large mixing bowl. Add 5 tablespoons of rice flour. Knead well to form a dough. As required, add more rice flour until fully combined to get a smooth dough. Take a lemon-sized of dough, shape into small ball. Gently flatten using your fingertips to form a circle of thickness approximately 1/8. On medium heat, gently slide the prepared pathiri into the hot oil. Press gently to puff up. Turn the pathiri once it puffs up and floats on top. Cook until both sides turns light golden in color. Transfer onto a kitchen towel. Repeat with the remaining dough. Enjoy with chicken curry.